Hey guys, how y'all doing today? Today I want to give y'all a simple how-to video on changing the exhaust back pressure sensor and the tube on the 7.3 Powerstroke. Mine is a late 99, if that matters. I don't think it really does. Initially I wanted to just take the tube and the sensor off, clean them, put it back on, save a little money. But after I took the tube off, I found the holes, so I had to replace it obviously. Since I was doing the tube, I decided to just order a new sensor also. Let's see if it'll focus there. Yeah, that one was pretty bad. And this is only after like 140,000 miles or something. Dealership wanted way too much money, so I found a deal on Riffraff diesel, and the parts, both of them together, were about $123 before shipping. So I went with that. Getting to it, it's not too hard. Come in on the top of this horribly dirty engine, go right down in here. You got this little connection right here. You pop it off and you can see the shiny new part down there. It makes it easier to see. Loosen the sensor from the top of the mount bracket, loosen the tube from the bottom, and I would suggest getting some stubby wrenches because I was just using regular ones and they get all tangled up in the fan while you're trying to maneuver around down there. Kind of a pain in the butt. After you loosen that, come down to the passenger wheel well. Looking straight in, you can already see it all nice and shiny in there. Connect it straight up to the manifold right there. Reinstalling, I did the top first. I found that easier. Don't tighten it all the way obviously yet. Do the top first, come down here, and it's easier to maneuver your hand in there and stuff, just more room to work. And it wasn't really too bad doing all that. Afterwards I filled the truck up to run a test, see if it made any improvements. First test unfortunately didn't get really good or any fuel mileage boost. I still only calculated about 12.5 miles per gallon, which is horrible. I'm in the middle of running another tank through it. I'll probably put that in the description or a comment or something after I'm finished with that. I did notice an improvement in drivability, better throttle response. Just don't need to give it as much to get it to go, which that's nice. I'll be doing some more of these videos. I'm gonna make sure I only do one at a time, one modification or repair or improvement at a time, so I can single out the results I get better results for y'all, so we know what did what. Actually I got a new package in this morning. This will be the next video install here. Like I said, I'm gonna wait till I get this mileage test done so I can differentiate between what results came from what product. But if you think this will be a help to y'all, subscribe. I hope to get quite a few more of these videos out, and just keep them coming. Won't be a video every day like some people are able to do. I don't have time to do that, but hopefully I'll get to the point at least one a week. Well, subscribe, like if you want, and I'll get back to you with another video.